The first one is resilience, and it refers to the rapidity with which a person recovers from adversity. How fast or slow are you to recover from adversity? So this is a hypothetical graph with two individuals that are depicted. And the way I've drawn this graph is that person A, the person with the squares, is showing a slower recovery compared to person B in response to a hypothetical adverse event. So imagine a stressful event occurs, and these are how two people respond, and person B is showing a more rapid recovery compared to person A. They both show the same amplitude of response, but they differ in how rapidly they recover. It turns out that these are stable over time, and they predict very interesting characteristics of behavior and of biology. And I'll just give you one example. So what this means is that this is a circuit which likely plays a very important role in resilience.